Right there.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, it's right here.
Soy, John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Dr. John, and this is my world upon wheels. Now I'm getting a lesson in how to use a drone.
Oh, can I catch it?
Well, I'm not gonna land it just yet. I want to get a picture of me in the water.
Okay.
But I'll get a picture of us if we walk out here by the poop.
There you go. Signs of life.
Okay, I'll bring it back a little bit.
Don't step in the poop.
No.
Try to get the boat in there. There. Cool. Maybe I'll get one of it looking at us from a different
I guess as long as you can see the port
There we go.
running light.
Wave.
Good. That's great. Cool. Okay.
Now, did you have to have a license or anything for that, or
No.
so there's no kind of official documentation? You just have to sign a paper saying I will not fly this more than 500 feet in the air, or
No, it automatically does that all on the app.
it has a governor on it,
Yeah.
then, of sorts.
Oh yeah, yeah. But I can fly it above 500 feet.
Okay. But you can't fly it over the Capitol.
No, or airports.
Uh-huh.
It does not let you do that.
So the app will dictate.
It won't let you take off.
Okay.
It won't let you use it at all.
Very nice. Does it have like a low fuel warning light on it?
Yeah, the battery's at 69% right now.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah. It's a fun little toy.
It looks like it could be a great deal of entertainment.
You want to fly it, Dad?
No, it's okay.
Do you want to fly it?
No, I don't need to. I mean, I'm enjoying watching it. Have you flown it, Katie?
Yeah, a couple times.
Uh-huh.
Kind of Jordan's thing.
It is. I just soon let the experts handle it.
Should be right under.
Boy, that tooth is a real eyesore.
Yeah.
Very interesting. Extremely interesting.